I'm in Taiwan! Today, I'll show you how to use YouBike in Taipei City. YouBike is a bicycle rental service in Taiwan. Bicycles are very convenient for sightseeing in Taipei City. Must-see places are located in the center of the city. The roads are flat, so you can enjoy cycling. There are YouBike stations everywhere, and you can rent and return bikes anywhere. Now, let's start by downloading the app. The URL is listed in the description box. This smiling face icon is cute, isn't it? Press OK on YouBike ask to use Bluetooth. In Taiwan, there are different versions of YouBike 2 and 1 depending on the city. In Taipei City, we use YouBike 2 version. The app download is now complete. Please choose whether or not to receive notifications from the app. A map of your current location is displayed on the app. Click the button on the top left to create an account. If you have a phone number that works in Taiwan, please sign up here. Most travelers will use single rentals, so I'll show this registration method. Register your credit card and deposit 3,000 Taiwan dollars, which will be refunded after you return the bike. The following is an explanation before use. Please read to the end and tap Accept. Next, please enter your email address here and press the Send button. Email code will be sent to your email. Please enter your email code and proceed to the next screen. Tap the single rental button and register your credit card information. Check the box and tap Add card. Finally, allow the use of the camera and setup is complete. When renting a bike, tap Scan on the app. Press the orange button. The green button is for YouBike members, so it is not for single rental. QR code will be displayed on the monitor. Please scan it with the app. Once unlocked, put out the bike. A deposit will be charged at this point. Enjoy cycling! Next, I'll share the route for cycling in Taipei City. Bicycles can also ride on the wide sidewalks. If there are bike lanes, ride within the lane. Bicycles are not allowed on covered sidewalk. Get off your bike and walk or ride your sidewalk without the roof. There are also bicycle lanes on the road. If there is no bicycle sidewalk or bicycle lane on the road, ride on the right side of the road. I'll show you how to lock the bike. Can you see two holes under the handle? You can lock it by aligning the two holes and inserting the keychain inside the basket. Finally, you can drop your bike into the station and return it. After returning, please check the card list on the app. You can check transaction details for your registered credit card. If it's listed in the transaction details, you could return the bike. I shared how to use rented bicycle YouBike in Taipei. Was the information useful to you? YouBike is very convenient and highly recommended for your trip in Taipei. I show you not only useful travel tips but also history and culture of tourist spots in this channel. I'm happy if I help your trip. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel. See you next video.